Hi, this is Caroline from Palmy Healing, talking about nature. I just love nature. I love to be outside in nature. I love to take my walks every day if possible, and I get so much clarity and inspiration during those walks. And also I just can release so much. Everything just seems unimportant all of a sudden, and I can just be with myself. I treasure the quiet out here, nature, seeing animals, and in spring new blooms and all the colors, and just being one with nature. I also want to share with you how it looks out here. This is a lake. I usually come a little tiny lake. In the back you might see the snow on the mountains. Unfortunately it's a grey and wet day, and it's just this tiny pond here with some ducks on it, and you see more snow back there, and actually back there you could see a lot of high mountains from the Alps, but not today. I'm just sitting here, being in nature, enjoying quietness, and here's my favorite bench. I can sit and meditate or just be. It's the green that is also healing, like from Archangel Raphael, and just being out here in the fresh air, seeing, feeling energized, releasing old energy, and just be on my own, by myself, connected to nature and the world around me. Sitting here, contemplating, getting inspired, and just being. So, that was me with my introduction to nature. I just love nature and being in solitude, quiet, and just breathing and releasing. Wishing you all a wonderful day. Bye bye.